Let's get warmed up for today's problems. And today, we're going to have a scale. On one side of the scale in this warm-up, we'll have a blue square. On the other side, we will have 3 green triangles. The scale is balanced, meaning both sides are equal. If we know a green triangle weighs 4 grams, then a blue square weighs how many grams? Well, knowing that each green triangle is 4 grams, we can see that all 3 together would weigh 12 grams. That means because the scale is balanced, the blue square must also weigh 12 grams. Using these skills, let's try some challenges. Challenge 1. Here are 2 scales. Both are balanced. If a green circle weighs 2 grams, then 3 red stars weigh how many grams? Are you ready for the answer? 3 red stars will weigh 600 grams. How could you have gotten this? Well, we know that a blue square is equal to or balanced with 10 green circles. So a blue square has to be equal to 10 times as much as 2 grams. Therefore, a blue square is 20 grams. We can keep going. A red star we see is balanced with 10 blue squares. So a red star is equal to 10 times as much as the 20 grams of a blue square. Therefore, 1 red star weighs 200 grams. From there, 3 red stars is just 3 times as much as each one. 3 times 200 grams, giving us 600 grams. Challenge 2. All 3 of these scales are balanced. If a green circle weighs 40 grams, then a purple triangle weighs how many grams? Are you ready for the answer? A purple triangle weighs 4,000 grams. If you know a green circle is 40 grams, then a blue star is equal to 10 times as much as 40 grams, which gives us 400 grams. Now here's where it gets tricky. We see that 10 blue stars is balanced with 10 red squares. Well, if 10 is balanced with 10, it means that each blue star is equal to 1 red square. That means a red square is also 400 grams. From there, we can tell that a triangle is equal to 10 times as much as a red square, and 10 times 400 grams gives us 4,000 grams, which lets us know a purple triangle weighs 4,000 grams. Challenge 3. All 3 of these scales are balanced. If a green circle weighs 2,000 grams, then how much do 4 purple stars weigh in grams? Ready for the answer? 4 purple stars weigh 80,000 grams. We can start by knowing a green circle weighs 2,000 grams, and 2 green circles is balanced with 20 blue squares. We can make that simpler by realizing that means 1 green circle is balanced with 10 blue squares. And if a green circle weighs 2,000 grams, that means 2,000 grams is 10 times as much as a blue square. So a blue square must be 200 grams. From there we can see a red triangle is equal to 10 times as much as a blue square. And so a red triangle is equal to 2,000 grams. Now what you need to realize is that both the green circle and the red triangle are equal to 2,000 grams. So in our bottom scale, it doesn't matter that we have 2 different shapes. Both of them are equal to 2,000 grams. So when we see that, we can tell our purple star is equal to 10 groups because there are 10 shapes of 2,000 grams. Our purple star is 10 times as much as 2,000 grams. So therefore, a purple star is 20,000 grams. If one purple star is 20,000 grams, we can multiply by 4 to find that 4 purple stars weigh 80,000 grams altogether.